Hi, I'm Sarika Saravanan. My topic is about ergodic process. Ergodic process is nothing but a technique to simplify a problem. Before going into the topic, let me give the meaning of ergodic. Ergodic is a process in which every sequence or a sizable sample is equally representative of the whole, which means for a given sample, if you wanna find the mean value of a particular parameter, if we find a particular parameter's value that represent the whole sample. There are two conditions in ergodic process. First one is ensemble average mean. Here, mean at a particular time. As shown in the graph, x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t, where the x value changes and the t value remains constant. All the values of t remains same. Whereas the second condition, time average mean. Take mean at a random time. For as shown in the graph, by calculating the average for different time. As the first condition implies, the time average mean is equal to ensemble mean. The time average mean is given by limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t limit t minus t x of t dt is equal to m of x, where m of x is random variable. Here the limits are taken from minus t to t. Time average mean is equal to ensemble mean, where m of x is equal to ensemble mean. If the same condition applies with respect to t, 1 by 2t limit t minus t m of x dt, where m of t is considered as shown in the graph, so that it performs as a random variable. M of t performs as a random variable. Here comes the equation E m of t is equal to E 1 by 2t limit t power minus t x of t dt. Here E acts as a linear operator, where the dt in the next step is the indication of integrated of E of x, so that now m of x is an independent of t time. Totally, the mean of average mean is equal to m of x by 2t limits t minus t dt is equal to mx divided by 2t dt, where the time average mean is equal to mean. So I can return the equation as limits t tends to infinity m of t is equal to m of x, where the m of t is equal to time mean and the m of x is equal to ensemble mean. Whereas the second condition is limits t tends to infinity variance m of t is equal to 0. The condition on correlation is rx tau comma t is equal to 1 by 2t x of t limits t to the power minus t x t plus x dt, whereas rx tau comma t reflects the time average mean of correlation function. As I said before, time average mean autocorrelation function is equal to ensemble autocorrelation function, so that the equation can be written as limits t tends to infinity rx tau t is equal to rx tau. And the variance of autocorrelation function, if limits t tends to infinity rx tau t as random variable, and I found the variance equation as variance bracket rx tau t is equal to 0. Now let me give a small example of ergodic random process. The diagram shows three different graphs with respective displacement of the wheel to the time t at 3 different days. The variations in the 3 different graphs is because of the n number of parameters due to the tire pressure, temperature of the day, or the ability of a driver. So we get a random results, and therefore it is said to be the random variable. As the car moves, the graph as the measurement from 5 seconds, so that we have to find the sixth term and the seventh term with respective to time, and the displacement in millimeter. But actually, there is some physics that governs the displacement of the problem. In fact, if someone asks us to find the displacement with respect to time of the graph for the sixth and seventh term, we assume some values. Likewise, here comes some problems which explains the sixth and seventh term. A random process is said to ergodic if its statistical properties can be deduced from a single sufficiently long random sample of the process. The diagram shows the three different graphs for the 3 different days. This differs because the x value differs, whereas the x1, x2, x3 differs and the time remains constant. This resembles the ensemble average mean, whereas the graph is between displacement of the wheel with respective to time. In this clip, the mu x is nothing but ensemble average mean, whereas the r of x is the second order autocorrelation function as it is defined. And in the ensemble average mean, the value of xk is nothing but the values given in the graph as x1, x2, x3, so that it resembles the ensemble average mean. In this stationary function, if we want the process to be strongly stationary, then the mean value should be seen at different time instants, and the second order autocorrelation function should be with respective to time. Finally, I would like to conclude that wherever in a sample space the parameter is meant for the calculation, it must be equal, because all the parameters in a sample space is equal. Then only it satisfies the ergodic process.